Elon Musk is a genius, and he has proved this statement time and time again. However, I am saying this today because of his latest invention. Grok AI, the newly launched AI chatbot, is set to rival competitors like ChatGPT, Google Bard, and Microsoft Bing. However, what makes Grok AI unique and different from the other AI chatbots? With Elon, you would always expect a twist filled with humor. And so is the case with his new baby, Grok. You won't believe the type of questions it can answer and how spicy it can get. So with Grok, you get something you wouldn't expect from the other chatbots. So, let's get into the details, shall we? The announcement was made on Grok's official website through a blog post, which reads that Grok is modeled on the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. It is supposed to have a bit of wit, a rebellious streak, and it should answer the spicy questions that other AI might dodge, according to a Saturday statement from Musks. The blog post also claimed that Grok has access to real-time knowledge of the world via the X platform. Musk announced this feature of Grok by a sarcastic tweet, asking for some of the latest news on SBF. If you don't know, SBF stands for Sam Bankman-Fried, the infamous CEO of FTX who went bankrupt last year. SBF was also fired for bankruptcy and was charged with massive fraud. The Grok AI's answer was sarcastic, and Musk twisted his caption by saying, "I have no idea who could have guided it this way." That's not the only advertisement Musk did for his latest launch, as he posted on X how Grok has a little humor. Someone just asked Grok the step-by-step procedure on how to make cocaine, and it answered it in a way filled with humor, just as you can see on your screen. However, if you ask any other AI chatbot a question like this, you will never get an answer as they are not programmed to answer such sensitive questions. Apart from that, Grok would know the globe in real time. This might imply that the artificial intelligence system will get its knowledge from the postings people make on Twitter that are accessible to the public. Furthermore, the artificial intelligence system will also be able to answer spicy questions that are rejected by the majority of other AI systems. Just 2 months have been spent on training for the product, which is currently in beta. This AI team said it would progress rapidly with each passing week with your help. Now you might be wondering why Elon Musk named it Grok. Certainly, everything Elon does has some logic behind it, and he just couldn't have named it without any references. Robert A. Heinlein invented the word Grok in his 1961 science fiction book, Stranger in a Strange Land. Groks is a Martian phrase with no exact earthling equivalent in the book. Critics have disagreed on the specific meaning of the term, but have agreed on some form of having incredibly profound empathy or intuition with something. According to Merriam-Webster, it is a transitive verb that means to understand profoundly and The self-proclaimed mission of the organization is to develop artificial intelligence to advance our collective understanding of the universe. Musk has previously said that he feels today's AI developers are too focused on politically correct solutions. The objective of AI, according to the company, is to produce AI for individuals of all backgrounds and political perspectives. Grok is stated to be a way to put such AI techniques to the test in public. Grok might be better at handling jokes and sensitive content, but how does it compare with other AI chatbots solely on performance? The Grok 1 engine, which is the foundation of Grok, has shown remarkable performance in machine learning benchmarks, even exceeding the performance of other models in its compute class. For example, Grok 1 beat ChatGPT 3.5 and Inflection 1, except for bigger models such as GPT-4. Grok AI was trained on a large current and relevant information dataset, focusing on human discussions. This training contains various natural language samples, allowing Grok AI to understand better the nuances inherent in human speech, such as sarcasm, comedy, and slang. This improved training method improves Grok AI's ability to interact with and comprehend human language subtleties, resulting in a more nuanced and context-aware conversational experience. This targeted training also ensures that the model is kept up to speed with the latest advancements, allowing users to get more relevant and timely information. His Grok performed well in the 2023 Hungarian National High School Math exam, earning a C grade. In the future, with more powerful learning algorithms, Grok will likely be able to learn and adapt quicker than ChatGPT and Bard, according to surpassing. Now, the next question is, when will Grok be available for everyone's use, and will it be free? Well, I am sorry to break it to you, but this platform is definitely not coming for free. As of now, Grok is exclusively accessible to a select group of users within the United States, aiming to gather valuable feedback for ongoing enhancements. In a tweet, Elon Musk disclosed that once Grok transitions out of its beta phase, it will become available to X Premium subscribers, with priority given based on the duration of subscription tenure. Individuals keen on exploring the platform can express their interest by joining the waitlist. However, some people believe this is just a strategy for Elon Musk to earn more money through X Premium and his plans to monetize Twitter. Since his unsuccessful blue checkmark campaign, keynote speaker and founder of Culture, Fluid Sharon Guy, claimed that Grok's main advantage is the data's freshness and ability to answer more questions than the woke chatbot. Introducing this product aligns well with Musk's strategy to transform X into a super app. He's already acquired a banking license for the platform and has plans to launch live streaming services as part of the broader plan. According to Guy, Musk envisions an internet that is less restrained and occasionally more provocative, a sentiment reflected in his recent acquisition of Twitter. Musk advocates for absolute freedom of speech and opposes the censorship of sensitive information and strong language. Grok is anticipated to reflect this perspective, aligning with Musk's broader vision for a more unrestrained and open online environment. Musk was one of the co-founders of OpenAI, the firm responsible for ChatGPT. However, he left the business in 2018, citing responsibilities at other companies and stating that he didn't agree with some of what the OpenAI team wanted to do. Musk has voiced concerns about the rapid growth of businesses such as OpenAI. In March, he responded positively to a proposal that called for a 6-month break in building robust systems. One of the reasons he has launched his own chatbot, Grok AI, is to fight the bias that Musk often complained about in ChatGPT. For example, when ChatGPT was asked a similar question on the performances of Donald Trump and Joe Biden, it did come up with the good things being done by Biden, but had an entirely negative answer regarding Trump. I am strictly not advertising for any political campaign, nor do I want to talk about this in detail, but the bias can be estimated from this simple experiment. Moreover, users have often complained about the software picking sides. However, Musk confirms that we would not see such biases in Grok. Meanwhile, at the beginning of this month, Musk said that artificial intelligence is the most destructive force in history in a talk with Rishi Sunak, the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. In addition, he said that there would come a day when artificial intelligence will be able to do all tasks, which will eliminate employment for human people. Despite these warnings, Elon has created another AI chatbot that would only improve from here. What do you think about this Grok AI? And would you pay to use one such chatbot? Let us know in the comments below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you stay updated with more AI news like this.